So all these open natural ecosystems support ungulates like chinkaras, blackbucks in great numbers. There are wolves in these areas, striped hyenas, and many other species of reptiles and amphibians which are absolutely suited for dry regions and open natural ecosystems. Most of this landscape lies outside the network of protected areas. There are not a lot of sanctuaries or national parks within these areas. It's all rain shadow region, so it receives very less rainfall and there is no water in the dry months of the year. So what you see is a very symbiotic relationship between resident farmers, traveling nomads, and the wildlife of the region. They've been coexisting for so many years now that it's kind of seamless relationship that they have. So blackbucks and chinkaras are in and out of fields, they are in forest department reserve lands, they are on private lands, they are on revenue lands, but they use mix of it. Even wolves, we have seen using this human dominated landscape so well and using the food resources that they have in this landscape very effectively and very smartly. Depending on the season, they will shift from poultry waste to carcasses to natural prey to killing livestock quite efficiently. So this is very intricate balance that this landscape has, and every aspect of it is dependent on each other. There are two major aspects which are affecting the wildlife and this delicate balance, as we call it. We started seeing first changes when irrigation came to this landscape. Irrigated agriculture has led to crop change. Mainly sugarcane has been the main crop since the water came in this rain shadow region, and that has changed a lot of things for a lot of species, especially bustards. The major decline happened after that. Lot of leopard population present because of the sugarcane in this landscape. And second is, most of these land parcels are even today are owned privately, and as the city is expanding now and there is water is made available in these landscapes, these areas are now turning into big townships or bungalow plots, and that is really affecting the wildlife because the wildlife could adopt till there was agriculture in the landscape, but they cannot sustain the pressure of entire chunk of land getting changed into a township. These species are only found in our open natural ecosystems. So once these grasslands go, some of these key species like bustards, floricans, wolves, chinkaras, blackbucks, they will go with the grasslands. We have already seen getting bustard wiped out from 99% of its former habitat. Lot of pastoral communities are still depending on grasslands as primary source of their livelihood. These are people who are actually having sustainable lifestyles. So for the survival of these indigenous communities, these grasslands are absolutely important. Protect our grasslands, protect our natural habitats for its biodiversity, for the people, and for the climate change that we are seeing right now.